Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the updated Instagram app and a clear prompt idea before you begin. Open Stories, capture or upload the media you want, then tap the sticker icon and select Add Yours. Once selected, type a concise prompt, questions, or a tag work best, because clarity drives replies. Make sure to pick visual media that invites participation. People respond more to relatable images and short clips. When you finish writing the prompt, place the sticker on screen where it's visible, but not blocking faces or essential details. Now configure the Add Yours sticker so people know what to post and why. Type a short, direct prompt, add one hashtag or emoji for emphasis, then resize and position the sticker using pinch and drag gestures. Once done, use the sharing menu to choose public or close friends. Selecting public increases reach, but close friends keeps replies private. You can also add location or mention overlays to boost context. Tap Share, and your story goes live. Watch for immediate replies in your story viewers list. Finish by actively managing responses. Tap the sticker on your story to view who joined and reshare or save standout contributions to your highlights. If someone says they can't find Add Yours, tell them to update the app, clear cache, or reinstall. That fixes most version conflicts. If you see no replies, make sure your story privacy isn't restricted and your prompt is inviting. Adjust wording and repost if needed. Lastly, monitor for spam and remove any unwanted posts. Moderation keeps the chain healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.